continuing. So in terms of technology, so electric vehicle is a popular, mode of transport that's being popularized because of environmental issues that's happening around the world. Now, Tesla is the leading manufacturer of electric vehicles, right? And one of the main ways of their expanding is not just concentrating in the Northern American region, as well as opening a factory, a gigafactory in Europe, as well as in China. They're now, putting up shop in India as well, one of the biggest markets in the world here. And obviously, Tesla is not resting on their laurels in terms of, other companies trying to go into this EV industry as well. So you have the likes of Toyota, GM, Ford. Actually, there's a company we'll be talking about again at the end of the discussion. Many companies, car companies, are going into the electric vehicle or electric car concept here, and whether it succeeds or not, we'll see here. So Tesla plans to set up an electric car manufacturing unit here in southern Indian state of Karnataka. Sorry, my mistake. Karnataka. So I think it's a hub for tech companies, so that's where they're setting up shop here. So let's see here. There you go. So as mentioned, so Karnataka is in the city of Bengaluru. Hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Bengaluru. So it's a hub for global technologies company. So it makes sense for Tesla to set up shop there. And obviously, Musk has already tweeted several times about the company's foray into the Indian market. Obviously, it's not just Tesla who has been investing heavily in India. You have other tech companies with the likes of Google, Facebook, Amazon trying to get a market share in that big market. Obviously, if the Indian government has nothing to say about it to protect the interests of the businesses or the small businesses that are having a difficult time, shifting to a more progressive approach in a sense in terms of shifting on online concept of businesses. And it's inevitable to innovate your business, but how does this affect the traditional business brick and mortar system? It's a totally different discussion altogether. But either way, the point of Indian opening their market to other companies, in this case the tech companies, is especially in the electric vehicle, is to reduce the dependency on its oil dependence and to cut down on pollution, and also to promote electric vehicles, which has been stymied by the lack of investment in manufacturing and infrastructure such as charging station. And from the track record of how Tesla has been improving leaps and bounds in terms of their technology and implementation, has gone a long way since day one. Now, in this case, to boost investment, India is planning to offer 4.6 or almost $5 billion in incentives for companies setting up advanced battery manufacturing facilities last year. So, it's a good conducive way. So you can see many major markets are trying to capitalize on the shift to EV vehicles. Whether it pans out, we have to wait and see how Tesla, brings the latest. I think they're trying to introduce the latest electric vehicle, right? You have the Cybertruck is one, then the Tesla Model 2. I don't know if that's the right model that they're going to release in the next iteration here. But it looks promising, right? And it looks good for India for more investment and the opportunity to have an electric vehicle in their country in the very near future, and for Tesla to expand their market reach as well as have a wider reach, as I mentioned.